Tell us. No matter. We're willing to help you, no matter what. We stand totally against bullying. I was bullied about a quarter of my entire life. I think when I left to do this, the worst thing ever. Of course I can say that, but hey, where I'm at now.
I mean, even us, like, you look at us and you think, oh, they can never get bullied, but people that know us from when we were little, like, oh, look, you changed, they start calling you fake, they start telling you that you're, like, everyone always uses the word gay, they call people gay, they use homosexual terms to reference people for being losers, but it's stupid, because we're trying to do something else.
Absolutely beautiful. She's a very strong girl.